Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to replace the PCV valve on the 2013 to 2017 Honda Accord with the 4-cylinder engine. I had previously shown the valve cover leaks that I'm having and also went ahead to show how to clean a clogged plastic PCV valve. Finally, I have the OEM part to replace the valve. Now let's get this. In terms of tools, you only need a 10mm wrench. The PCV valve on this Accord is located on the rear of the valve cover on the passenger side. It's held by just one 10mm bolt. Undo these bolts and wiggle the PCV valve out. If it's difficult to come out, you may pull on this red piece or use a screwdriver to try to pry this out. If using a screwdriver, be sure not to damage the seating area of the PCV valve. A quick comparison here shows that this is exactly OEM. I'll leave the link in the description to this. On the new one, before you put it in, smear some oil on the two O-rings, as this will make it easier to remove when next you want to replace the PCV valve. Install the PCV valve, torque the bolt to 10 Newton meters. Remember, the valve cover is plastic. You don't really want to over tighten. Let the O-ring do its work. I'll most likely have to replace the valve cover gasket as well. Watch out for that video. Hope this helps. Catch you on the next one. Peace.